Tara, let's explore Rochester, Part 1.
Welcome to Rochester.
We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going going all the way, going up, going all the way, going up, going all the way, going
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time. Welcome to our travel vlog. Good morning mga kalakwatsa!
Good morning!
Ito tayo sa
Victoria Line.
What? Victoria Line.
Victoria Coach.
Victoria National Rail.
Basta
Pasamahan nyo na,
Victoria.
guys. Yan. So nandito tayo ngayon kasi gagala tayo ulit. At saan tayo pupunta?
Sa Rochester, Kenya.
Yes. So naalala nyo sa vlog natin sa Margate, nakita kasi namin yung mga stops doon. And we decided to explore one of the best places here in England again, which is Rochester. Kung saan ba famous ang Rochester?
Famous siya sa second oldest church in the world. At isang writer, ang pangalan niya?
Sino ang pangalan niya, Nick?
Charles Dickens? Sino si Charles Dickens?
Isa siyang writer at journalist. Kilala siya sa pagsasulat ng mga fictional story here in UK.
Yeah, especially during Victorian era. So, samahan nyo kami as we explore Rochester. Pero, before that,
Hindi pa pala tapos.
kung hindi natin napakilala si Nikki, kalakwatsa Nikki.
Hello, guys.
Kalakwacha. I
Hello,
think-
Kalakwacha.
Shout out naman sa taga-Butuan dyan.
Uy, ngoog.
Ang daming mali.
So, grab muna kami ng breakfast sa McDonald's and see you later. So let's go guys, platform 5 tayo pupunta. Guys, nandito tayo sa loob ng train at ito na yung mga in-order namin sa McDonald's. Ano in-order mo, Nix?
Muffin, at saka may hash. Breakfast. Breakfast muffin.
Breakfast time kasi 7:27.
Oo.
So alam niyo na pagkala.
So, ang time natin ay 7:40. Medyo napaaga tayo today. Thank you, Lord. So, kami ay usually pancakes na in-order namin sa McDonald's at saka kape. Coffee is life. Sausage. Yung sausage nila dito, guys, is flat. Sa atin, ano to eh? Parang, ano ba yan? Flat na...
Burger patty.
Ayun, burger patty.
Pati.
Ganun siya, pero ang tawag dito ay sausage.
And then, of course, di mawawala.
Kape.
Hot chocolate ako.
Oo. So, mag-pray.
naman.
So, mag-pray muna tayo.
Okay
Let's
na.
pray. Kain tayo. Mga kalakwatsa, good morning again. So, gumawa na tayo ng itinerary dito sa train. We are planning to go to the places in Rochester. Una, pupunta kami sa Rochester Castle. It says here that it's only 5 minutes walk from the train station. So it keeps one of the tallest Norman stone towers in England, and it famously survived King John's siege in 1215. By the way, mga kalakwatsa, itong trip na to ay dahil sa birthday na kalakwatsa si Julie! Happy birthday!
Birthday to me. Birthday to me.
Cheers, Lord! Okay, going back to itinerary, guys. And then next after that, from Rochester Castle, pupunta tayo sa Rochester Cathedral. It's free entry. Ito guys, mas matanda pa sa castle. Ang cathedral is
Second oldest.
604 AD.
Huh?
This is the second oldest cathedral in England. Guys, ang swerte natin. Makikita
Excited
din
ako.
natin ang isa sa...
First.
I think it's the one in Kent.
Oh, yeah, the Canterbury.
Canterbury, yeah. Mga Kalakwatsa, if you know that information, comment down below kayo. Pero ipa-flash din namin dito kung ano ba ang first cathedral in
Yes.
England. Okay. Next, pupunta tayo sa High Street. And then, may mga...
Museum din.
Yeah, museum, which is...
Tinatawag siyang Guildhall Museum. Which is merong bayad din. It's £8 for
Yeah.
adult.
Sasabi dito, you can discover Rochester's history, including exhibits about the River Medway
Medway and Dickens.
and Dickens. Pinangalan nila na yung area na yun.
Kay Charles Dickens. Huh?
Yeah. Tingnan natin, pagdating natin doon kung
Kaya ng budget,
Kaya
kaya
ng-
ng oras, o kayang-kaya ba namin?
yes, pasukin. At alam nyo naman, meron lang tayong energy level.
Pasukin.
Nagdi-deplete siya on a certain day. Maya-maya, tokin na po tayo after kain.
Ito kami before the trouble.
And then, meron din siyang another house. So, from 5 minutes from that house, you can go
Daming
to
house.
Eastgate House. May entrance din, which is £5 per adult. One of the finest 16th century townhouses in Kent. And featured in Dickens' Pickwick Papers. So, kinda
Movie
story-
ba yan or story?
I'm not sure. So, comment nyo nga guys kung movie ba to or baka ano to, one of his works.
Hindi, masi-search namin yan.
So, check natin din guys. Doon matututo tayo. Actually, ito yung mga gusto ko sa travel. Yung you unravel information that you've never had in your life. Diba? It's wonderful. We're just traveling only for a day. Not
This is just a day tour. Always day tour.
So hopefully itong video na to, pag natapos yung panoorin, can help you plan out your trip when you are in Rochester.
Maisama yun sa Bakit BC Rochesters.
Yes, kasi maraming mga places sa England na underrated. Yeah. So, with this trip, you will be able to see places that are not off your list when you're traveling to England that you could probably add on your list when you are in England. Makalakwatsa, welcome to historic Rochester. Dito na tayo. Tingnan natin.
Bago kami lumabas ng station, merong free books dito. Which is meron na rin kayong mga nakitang ibang station na yung mga free books. So, ang nakakatawa lang, no? Lalo na kung mahilig ka magbasa, ayan, no? Pili ka lang dyan, guys. Anong gusto mong kunin? So, actually, 3-4 ang nagustuhan ko. Pero since wala akong bag, guys, isa lang dadaling ko. Ewan ko. Let's see, tingnan natin later kung pagbalik dito, baka kunin ko yung 3. Kung andito pa sila. Kasi isa lang yung author, oh. James Oswald. Tapos mukhang interesting yung mga stories. Haha. Ay, ayun, ang dami niya pa. Oh, meron pa siyang... Oh. Hmm? Diba? It's nice.
Guys, ayun na pala yung castle. 'Di ba? Paglabas yun ng train station, andyan na lahat. Ang lapit lang ng mga locations nila.
Nakakatuwa, parang Margate there.
Kaya nga eh. So, where are we heading first?
Walk distance.
Okay, let's go. Excited ako.
Hello. May tanong kami, guys. Kapag pumunta ba ikaw sa High Street, makahay ka ba?
What?
May sagot siya.
Anong sagot mo?
Mahahay ka sa gastos.
So, maglakad ka na lang. Mga Kalakwatsa, nandito na tayo sa High Street. Explore natin kung anong meron. I think yung High Street is usually talaga yung mga town center no, ng isang lugar.
Yeah, yun na nga yung na-realize ko sa lahat ng mga pinuntahan natin. There's always High Street. So, yung high street nila para siyang main street kung saan
Nandun
marami
lahat.
kang mabibili. Yes.
Shopping center, restaurants. Isa sa mga gusto ko dito yung ma-explore yung mga charity shops nila or mga vintage shops.
Yun naman ang kinaganda sa
Yes. Ang daming finds. So kung halimbawa nandito kayo tapos gusto nyo bumili ng mga little pieces to take home with you na organically at saka authentically from England, you can go to you can go to charity shops, mga damit, ganyan.
High street pa pala din siya. May sasakyan.
Ay, feel ko dito kakain.
Tayo sa High Street, guys. So napapansin nyo wala masyadong tao. So what you can see around are the shops, and then across this is parang restaurant ba to? Yeah. And then you can also you can also see many different kinds of pubs. Ito, Wetherspoon is a pub here. And then restaurant, boutique. So there's so many things to see. Parang ang ideal ng lugar na to for walking. Mga kalakwatsa, from High Street, nandito din pala yung Eastgate House. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. Check it out, guys. Eastgate House is one of Rochester's finest Tudor townhouses, built in the late 16th century for a wealthy local family. Over the centuries, it has served many purposes, including a boarding school, a museum, and even a hostel during World War II. Today, it's one of Rochester's most treasured historic buildings, offering a glimpse into over 400 years of local history, and its connections to Charles Dickens make it even more special. Ito, Nix,
Parang pump, water pump.
water pump.
Manual water pump.
How do you do it? Ay, grabe. Ay, ganyan pag-push pala, guys. Nung araw, just to get the water from here. This has been installed by Charles Dickens. Grabe, ang dami mga ginawa ni Charles Dickens, no? So, coming from this entrance, you can see this. Nasa Eastgate House pa rin tayo, guys. Ganda. Guys, explore naman natin tong Dickens Chalet. Fun fact! Charles Dickens' Swiss Chalet was basically the original flat-pack home, long before IKEA made it cool. Gifted to him by his actor friend Charles Fletcher in 1864, this charming two-story chalet arrived in 58 giant packing crates. Dickens and his friends tried to put it together themselves, but with French instructions and plenty of confusion, they eventually had to call in a professional stage carpenter to save the day. Proof that DIY disasters have been around for centuries. And for you be able to step on this main ground na kung saan naglakad si Charles Dickens, napaka-amazing. You're walking on history. Grabe.
Hello guys, tignan yung tinatapakan ko today. Tignan nyo to, ito yung currently, pero ito yung dating tinatapakan nila dati, di ba? Nung 1387 pa ganito na itsura daw. So hindi naman surprise yun, pero grabe, tignan mo. Talagang mahirapan ka maglakad.
1387 pa to. Imaginein mo yung quality mo.
Yeah. Wala lang, ang gandang malaman na or somehow medyo komportable na tayo sa panahon ngayon. medieval days, ganyan siya.
Navigator pala for this trip ay si Nikki.
Hello guys, so we're going to Rochester Castle.
How many minutes?
11 minutes.
Where?
High Street. Sa dulo ng High Street.
Sa diretso lang.
So let's go guys.
Mga Kalakwatsa, we saw a very unique cafe. Yeah. So, they've got dog beer. Pero syempre, water lang ilalagay nila. Marami ditong mga nag-offer ng mga free water for dogs. Ang cute! Doggy brunch, tasty treats, also for dogs. Di ba? Ang cute! Ang cool! Interesting na nakita namin dito ang Austin's Rochester Market. Tingnan nyo, nasa labas lang siya. And then, nakaganto yung mga products, mga produce nila. Ang cute. Very organic at saka local tignan. Ang ganda. Ito na yung Rochester Cathedral, second of the oldest cathedral in England. Nandito na tayo sa ground ng Rochester Cathedral. Tingnan niyo yung stone. Grabe, no? Imagine mo, binild nila to ng by hand. 'Di ba? Nung araw, syempre, wala naman sila masyadong machinery. Ang cool, 'di ba? Yung ano nila, yung artistry nila to build something like this and the skill to build something like this that could withstand of years and years and years. It is something we can learn from the past. Pakagaling. Ang open pala ng cathedral, guys, is 10 a.m. So medyo napaaga tayo, mga ilang minutes na lang, pasok tayo sa loob.
Sobrang excited talaga kasi kami, sobrang aga namin.
Oo.
Lahat na napunta namin sarado pa.
Sarado yung High Street. Actually, nung papunta rito, yung dinadaanan namin na part ng High Street, open na.
Pati yung Eastgate House, sarado pa.
Pero ang ganda, no?
Yeah, very peaceful.
Yeah.
Mas mafe-feel mo yung very England.
Sabi niya nga habang naglalakad kami, mas dito niya nafe-feel yung UK or England.
Yeah, yung vibe ng Old
vibe, yes.
English. Sino ba nang hindi magiging peaceful yung feeling? Eh, katapat din namin ay sementeryo.
Sementeryo.
So, di ba? Pero usually, guys, talaga dito is katabi ng cathedral ay sementeryo. Mikot kami sa side ng church para dun tayo sa main entrance pupunta. And just across the cathedral is the castle. 'Di ba? Isang tawid lang. Mga Kalakwatsa, behind me is the front side of the cathedral. At ito makikita nyo na iba't ibang details. Mga Kalakwatsa, tingnan nyo yung loob. Napakaganda ng side ng church na to. It's actually my first time to see something like this. Yung parang printed yung mga pipes. Akala ko, tingnan yung mga flag sa church. Medyo luma din. And na-notice ko lang yung detail dito. Yung steps niyan, even. May ibang steps na nilagyan na lang nila ng apakan na wood para hindi kayo madapa. Wow! Napaka-grand din talaga ng design ng isang church dito sa England. Mga Kalakwatsa, one of the things that I noticed in England and also here in Rochester is that most of the prominent people that have contributed in the church, like the bishop, the priest of the high level, are buried in the church. So tingnan nyo to. So ito ay burial site ng isang bishop of Rochester, and he was a bishop since 1274 to 1277. And if you go around, you can also see different burial site dito. Another here. And meron pa dun sa side na to, guys. This cathedral has one of the oldest cathedral foundations in England. The cathedral was founded in 604 AD, making it the second oldest cathedral in England after Canterbury Cathedral. Although much of the current building dates from 11th and 12th centuries, Christian worship has taken place on the site for well over 1,400 years. Mga Kalakwatsa, just interesting thing to see in this church is this is a chapter doorway which has been built 1350 AD, and according to one of the staff that explained to us, so this is like a purgatory. So they said that these are demons and paakyat yung soul ng bishop, and that tiny baby there is the representation of the bishop. And this has been for a long time. Grabe. What good thing about this church is there are people roaming around, their staff. You can ask questions, they're going to explain to you the history. And they said that what we're standing now is this medieval time and medieval design. So right at the other side is Norman, yung sa may entrance side. And then we even said that this kind of look like Canterbury, which is, na-confirm natin, Canterbury is the oldest church in England, and this is the second. Ang dami na nangyari sa church na to. Diba?
Ang dami na niya nasaksihan.
Yes. And isa tayo sa mga naglalakad dito sa church, also passing through the history. Nagiging part tayo ng history, guys. Diba? Nakakatuwa. Napaka-amazing. Guys, may doorway dito, pero hanggang saan kaya siya? Okay. So dead end na siya. Wala tayo pumasok. Hindi rin ako kasya. Makikita mo ngayon difference ng design. Kasi Norman design tong side na to. Kalakwatsa, this is the cafe inside the cathedral. Nix, ang ganda, Nix. Diba? Kaya nga, ay, ang ganda ng light. Alam mo, nagkakaroon siya ng gothic vibe because of the light. Imagine having coffee here. You're inside the cathedral and you're having this ambience. Oo, hindi pwede. Rinig tayo. Tsaka, di ba? Diretso tayo simbahan. So, no chismis allowed in the church while having coffee. Ang ganda. Alam mo, parang ka nagkakape sa isang gallery. Maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa gala natin today, mga Kalakwatsa. Don't worry, we have part 2 of Rochester trip. Ano? Oo. Ang taas na pa rin. We made it. We're on top of the castle. So this is what we're gonna see on top. To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Check out these videos for more travel adventures.